Hello again from the DevOps Talks conference. It's Nathan back, and now I'm with Alena. Alena, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Oh, wonderful. Thanks so much. So you work at Rancher.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, tell me, what does Rancher do?
So Rancher builds an open source software for around Kubernetes mostly. So we have several projects. One is Rancher that does Kubernetes clusters management. Another one is a minimalistic operating system called Rancher OS. And then recently we've released two other open source projects. One is Submariner that does cross-cluster communication, establishes cross-cluster communication. And the most exciting one is a K3S, is a minimalistic Kubernetes distribution.
K3S, so it's
Yes.
5 less than K8S.
It is.
Yes,
Yeah.
and tell me a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so Kubernetes K3S is a minimalistic distribution of Kubernetes. It has a lot of legacy code and cloud provider storage code stripped out to make it really small, and so it can run on really small devices like Raspberry Pi.
Oh, interesting. So you could really take the Internet of Things and use Kubernetes to start
Yes,
managing things like
that's
that.
the plan, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's super
Yeah.
awesome. As you look out across the industry with Rancher doing a lot of work in Kubernetes, what are you seeing in terms of adoption? What sort of verticals, what sort of size of company, who's using Kubernetes?
I think everyone is going to use Kubernetes. It's such an awesome tool for running, containerized application in production. It is. But the use case can drive the certain Kubernetes distribution adoption. Like, for example, in case of K3S, it can be really used for IoT, and it actually makes the IoT adoption Kubernetes easier.
Right.
Yeah.
Great. And I understand your talk is going to have a demo.
Yeah, I did some live demo
Yes,
of K3S.
excellent. So I know you want to see the K3S demo and hear more from Alena, so make sure that you check out the links below and here on our YouTube channel. And thank you so much for
Thank you for
coming to
having
DevOps
me.
Talks conference.
It's a great conference. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.